So hi! Good
Hello.
morning! Yeah, still morning
I'm
today.
in Britain now. I'm not in the Philippines anymore,
late
so
morning.
I thought I'd talk like this. We took a flight last night. We're in London now.
So welcome to our YouTube channel, The Filipina and the Foreigner, and The Filipina recorded live.
2 channels.
Yes.
That's really good to mention it right at the beginning because we have 2 channels. A lot of people don't realize we have 2 channels.
Yeah.
Say them again, just for fun.
Filipina recorded live.
And this one.
And Filipina and the Foreigner.
Yeah.
He's the Filipina, I'm the Foreigner.
Just in case you were confused. Oh, I had a bug on me. I hate that.
Okay. So, for today's video, we're visiting my friend Isa, and she work in the bank, and we're going to ask her
If she's married, if she has kids, does she like swimming? Will she go fishing when she has a holiday? No, I'm kidding. We're not going to ask her any of those questions.
Yeah, so we're just asking about if foreigner allowed to open a bank account here in the Philippines, and if so, what's the requirements? That's it.
Yeah, a lot of people asking, want to know, if I come to the Philippines, how can I manage my money? How can, I get a bank account? And of course, there's different options to managing your money. Now, you've probably seen it on other videos, but this is our perspective, and it's nice to get different perspectives. So, since I've been here, I'll just tell you what I do personally right now. And this is great if you know a Filipina, if you're coming to meet your Filipina, and you trust her. I trust her. Basically,
Thank you.
all my income is in Canada, and we just shift it right into her account, her bank account. So I don't have to worry about getting a bank account. And whenever we need cash, she just says, okay, we need this much, and I shift it into her account, and we get the cash we need to pay whatever bills we have, or food for the restaurant, money for the restaurant, or whatever we need. It just goes right into her account when we need it. So that's kind of how we do it. It's very simple, very simplistic. There's 2 ways that I do it. One is a bank transfer from my bank, and that's the easiest way for me, and they give a good rate. The other way is a general way that pretty much anyone can use. It's the Wise app, W-I-S-E, Wise app. And I even with them, they have like a different way to transfer. You can choose different ways to transfer through that app. I choose my credit card, so it's a little extra fee, but to me it's worth it for the times I need to transfer from the Wise app. So then I actually take the money from my credit card using the Wise app, transfer it right into her Gcash. And again, there's options. You can go into her bank account, whatever, but I transfer to the Gcash. And so basically I'm just taking my credit card and giving her money into her Gcash from my credit card. There's a little extra fee there, but it's okay. We don't only have to do that every now and again. So
yeah. And speaking of Gcash, yeah, we will do that, but I didn't put big amount of money in the Gcash. Or if he sent me money through Gcash, I will just send some of the money through my bank account, because sometimes Gcash is not really, sometimes their system is kind of on and off. Yeah, and there's a lot of client, they're losing money about that Gcash. So it's sad to hear that. But yeah, I just put some money if we have bills to pay, like
internet
I'm
today,
paying
for
internet. Yes, I'm paying our Netflix and Disney. So yeah, I that's the only amount that I put in my Gcash. I didn't store a big amount of money in Gcash. And because sometimes I think if you're putting your money there for a long time, I think the Gcash will charge you for few pesos for payment. Yeah, so it's not really practical to put, but when it comes to payment online, it's good. when you use Gcash for pay for your bills. Yes, you can use for the electricity, for the water bill, anything. Even when I order online, I can pay Gcash. They will accept that, but of course there's always a charge. Like the last time I paid my Shopee parcel through Gcash, and they asked me for 20 pesos charge, and yeah, that's it. So it's just that, you know, you need to be more, it's more, you know, what is that, careful about using Gcash also, and do not just click the link all the time, because they're sending, like this time, even if we registered our number, there's still a lot of scammers. I receive a lot of unknown messages, like trying to click this one, and when you click it, all your information, especially your bank information and your Gcash account, all your money will gone. Yeah, so just be careful.
Yeah,
so it's better to have a bank account. And if you're traveling here in the Philippines and you don't have a Filipina, so this is also the time that we're going to check if what bank foreigners allowed to have, you know.
Yeah, we want to see what we can figure out with the information.
I
the
think,
bank.
guys, if you want to come here, I think you need to get a bank account from your country. Just like when I was in Hong Kong, I had an account in China Bank. China Bank, we can use it here, and also I think it's BC, we can use it here, and also what's it? East West Bank, and also Security Bank. Yeah, I guess you can.
You're asking
use
me?
that.
She's looking at me like, oh, yeah, that's the one. No, I don't know anything about banks here.
No, I just want to, you know, like if you see some HSBC Bank in your country, did you see? Is it HSBC Bank?
Well, not where I'm from, but
because
it could be another place.
HSBC Bank is also a China bank.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And also, we appreciate, just interjecting for just a moment, we appreciate those who have already contributed to Mahal, because we have links below, PayPal links as well as a Gcash link. And thank you for those who have already contributed. We really appreciate that. Or I say we, but especially
Can I mention his name?
No. We don't want to mention names, but the giving. But we want to say thank you.
Thank you.
For those who have
Thank you for supporting us.
Yeah, I really appreciate it. So we're on to the bank. I don't know if we're going to pause here or add it on to the end of this video. I'm not sure, but we're on the way to the bank.
Yes.
So we are here at our destination. This is a small bank in the province, and we might just get some information here. Shooting video out the window of the car, so it's not the clearest, but this is where we are. So now we're at bank number 2. Bank number 1 was a dud. We thought we'd get information, but they're too busy. So now we're at bank number 2. You can see Wella Mahal, Filipina, going in the bank. Going to ask some question. I guess she's asking the security guard if she can ask a question, and we'll see if we can get some information here. Trying to figure out about opening up a bank account. What's the process for a foreigner? So we're trying to get you the actual information from a bank. But looks like she's coming back. So reflection of, oh, maybe not. I don't know. Oh, what's she doing? She's coming over here. Let's see. What's she going to tell us?
Right?
Well, not at the bank. Maybe I shouldn't get this part on the video. She's asking me if I want to pee. I want to pee at the bank.
Let's go.
What? At the bank?
No, it's over there.
Oh, the hotel?
Here. Yeah.
Okay, hotel sounds good. I can pee at the hotel. So we're at bank number 3. This is what, you probably can't see it there, but it's PNP. PNP. Now maybe you can see it on the sign. Let's see how we do with this bank. Do we get information? Oh, what we do for our subscribers. Okay, Okay, we're turning the camera on. Get first-hand news. Bank number 3. What's the information to help all the foreigners?
So yes, he can open a bank account.
Yay!
The requirements is like if you have ACR card.
ACR iCard.
Yes.
Which I think it takes 3 months to get. You have to be here for 3 months, apply for it, so on and so forth.
Yes, and if you have a Philippine ID.
Which is your ACR iCard?
No, aside from ACR iCard, because
driver's license?
Yes, they're looking for another, because it needs 2 ID, the ACR card and your valid ID. If you're using ID in your country,
Okay?
you need a barangay certificate where you stay in the Philippines. Barangay certificate where your
validation.
present address.
Yeah.
Yes, and also proof of billing. It's electricity bill.
Oh, your address, yeah.
Yes.
Proof of address.
Yes, and she's asking me if I want passbook or debit card, and I say debit card, so we can use. And the initial deposit for the debit card is 3,000
pesos.
Yes,
it's about
3,000 pesos.
$75 Canadian, maybe a little over $55 US.
Yes.
And that's what's required.
Yeah.
So for the ID, it's really great if you got like what I got with Philippines driver's license, right?
Yeah.
And then the ACRI card, and I'm good to go. So I could go in there now and open an account, right?
Yes, exactly.
Except I got no money.
But since
Kidding.
she asked me
Sort of.
where we live, and I say, Ma'am, we live in Valencia, and this is Maramag. Then she said, Ma'am, you can have a open account in Valencia, so that no need for you to get the barangay, yeah. So it's easy. The process is easy.
Yeah, so there you go. Let's do a real quick recap now. For those who want to know how to set up your bank in the Philippines, this is the information we found out firsthand from the bank. Bank number 3.
Yes, it's
Took
a
us a while.
Philippine National Bank.
Yeah, so you have to have your ACR iCard, which takes about 3 months to get, because you have to be visiting here for 3 months first. Then you apply for your ACR iCard. Then once you have that, you still need another Philippines ID or proof from the barangay to validate your own ID.
Yes.
Okay, so you need that. And then you need to put the 3,000 Philippine pesos as a starter in. Do you have to maintain that, did she say? Or is it just a startup?
Just a startup, yeah.
So you don't have to always keep 3,000 in there, did she say?
That's the...
We don't know about that one. But get your 3,000 Philippine pesos.
Yes.
You can get your bank account going. So it's pretty simple, really. But like I say, if you want to set it up before 3 months and you don't have an ACRI card, pretty much forget about it, right? But you can do what I did from day one, even before you get here. Got a nice, pretty, beautiful Filipina. Even if you got an ugly one, it's okay. We're kidding. There's no ugly Filipinas. Just use her bank account. Put your money right into her bank account. Either use a bank transfer from your own bank, or use the Wise app, or a simple, a simple app like the Wise app to transfer your money into her bank account. That works even better. That's all we're doing. I'm not worried about opening up an account.
And also, just make sure that your Filipino will not run away with that money.
Oh, yeah.
Just kidding.
That's true. There she goes. Look, there she goes.
I don't have money yet.
She's waiting for an installment, then she's going to run away. So, that about sums it up.
Yeah. So,
thank you.
Guys, this is for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Filipina and the Foreigner, and The Filipina Recorded Live.
2 channels, and click the PayPal link below, because it puts a little cash into her bank account, not mine, her bank account, and is a blessing.
Yeah. Thank you for the support, guys.
Yeah, for already people have given to her, so thank you for those. Thank you very much.
God bless you.